Hi friends, how are you? Before starting this topic, if you are new on this channel, then subscribe this channel and press the bell icon button. Today I am now discussing about diffusion current. When do you know about diffusion? This video, when the charge carrier moves from higher concentration to lower concentration due to concentration gradient, this type of velocity is known as diffusion velocity, and due to this velocity a current flows which is known as diffusion current. Understand the in deep dN by dx. Diffusion current density due to electron Jn is proportional to the minus dN by dx. This is equation 1, and Jn is directly proportional to the minus q. This is the equation 2, where Jn is diffusion current density due to electron from equation first and second. Jn is directly proportional to the minus q multiply with minus dN by dx. Jn equal to dN minus q of multiply dN minus dN by dx. Jn equal to q dN by dx, where d capital Dn is diffusion constant. Now we discuss about diffusion current density due to holes. Jp is directly proportional to the minus dp by dx. This is equation 1, and Jp is directly proportional to plus q for positive holes. This is equation 2. Jp is directly proportional q plus q multiply minus dp by dx. Jp is equal to dp plus q multiply with minus dp by dx. Jp equal to minus q dp capital dp and small dp by dx. Jp is diffusion current density due to holes. dp is diffusion constant. Total diffusion current density J equal to Jn plus Jp. This is Jn means current density due to electrons, and Jp means current density due to holes. J equal to q dN by dx minus q dp by dx. Total current density due to electron Jn equal to diffusion plus drift, and Jn equals to q dN by dx plus q and mu and E. Total current density due to holes Jp equals to diffusion plus drift. Jp is equal to minus q dp by dp into dp by dx plus q p mu p multiply with E. Now we have studied about the PN junction diode. In the figure we have shown the block diagram of PN junction diode, and this is the circuit model of PN junction diode. We say positive side also known as anode, and negative side also known as cathode. And now PN junction is two terminal bipolar nonlinear unilateral basic semiconductor device. It is a combination of p type and n type material. If a junction is formed between N-type and P-type doped semiconductor, the conduction across the junction has called p-n junction. It has a strongly unidirectional property. In other words, the current is conducted with great facility in one direction. The resistance offered by junction is very small. So we know about depletion region, a region in p-n junction where no mobile charge carrier, electron and hole is called depletion region, and its width is defined by range in micrometer. Biasing of p-n junction to provide suitable X voltage, DC voltage or DC analysis for any electronic device is called biasing. Thank you.